open the Telegram app on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the screen to open the menu. In the menu, tap Settings. Once you're in the Settings section, scroll down and tap on Data and Storage. Now, under the Data and Storage section, you will find an option called Storage Usage. Tap on it to see all your stored data, including cached files. To clear your cache, tap on Clear Cache. You can also manage storage by selecting Manage Storage, which lets you choose specific chats and groups to clear. After selecting the desired chats, tap on Clear Chat History to remove messages, or tap on Clear Cache to delete temporary files. Confirm your action, and your data will be cleared accordingly.